TeamOB is a comprehensive productivity enhancement tool crafted to optimize workforce efficiency and streamline operations. It encompasses a range of features uniquely tailored to aid businesses in effectively managing their teams and maximizing operational efficiencies. The TeamOB agent installed on computers is compatible with Windows, Ubuntu, and Mac OS. This configurable tool captures specified data as outlined in the configuration settings. Typically, it captures screens, active applications, websites, keyboard and mouse strokes, and sends this information to the server every 1 to 3 minutes. Utilizing the captured data, TeamOB generates various insights, including a real-time dashboard, shift adherence analysis, active and idle time analytics, and reports on late logins and early logouts. If the monitoring module is activated, additional insights are available, such as application and website usage, time spent in meetings, and breaks. TeamOB supports a hierarchical role structure. Each role has the ability to log in and manage their respective teams. Additionally, a unique dashboard is provided for each role to visualize the data of their own team. The TeamOB agent offers multiple authentication methods on users' PCs and provides a visibility control mode. While running on users' computers, it captures the necessary data to generate attendance and productivity reports. TeamOB simplifies real-time attendance tracking and facilitates verification of shift adherence using the shift roster module. The automatic tracking of attendance, combined with the shift roster feature, enables the generation of various useful reports, such as attendance logs, muster reports, late login and early logout reports, and active/idle time analysis. Additionally, built-in triggers can be enabled to receive real-time notifications on events, such as offline users, idle users, or users on extended breaks. Uploading shifts is incredibly straightforward with TeamOB. Simply download the shift roster template, update the shifts for each employee, and upload the file. TeamOB's leave management feature enables users to deposit leaves, apply for leave, allows managers to review and approve requests, and provides a provision to reset leave balances at the end of the year. Navigate to the Leave Management section in the left navigation to access the module and perform activities such as leave deposit, view leave applications, and check balances. Users can request leave by clicking on the Leave Request button from the dashboard. Managers or team leaders can access the Leave Management module from the left navigation menu. Under Awaiting Approval, all newly submitted requests will be listed. Click on the date or name to view the detailed request. Clicking on the Leave Request tab will highlight the detailed request. Managers can edit the end date if necessary before accepting the leave request. Upon accept or reject, system will send an email notification to user. We provide the option to generate an attendance report on the screen, but for a more detailed view, you can download it in Excel format. Similarly, the muster report is also available for download in Excel, offering a comprehensive overview of the total present, absent, half-day, holiday, and leave counts for each user. The TeamOB tool installed on users' PCs synchronizes data with the server every 1 to 3 minutes. The real-time dashboard displays current active users, department-wise statistics of work hours, activity, and incidents if module is enabled. At the bottom of the dashboard, there is a section called Team Room, which lists all online users, users on break, and users who have not yet logged in. Color representation is used in the team room. Green indicates that a person is online and actively engaged in an activity. Red indicates that a person is online, but there have been no keyboard or mouse strokes recorded on their computer in the last 3 minutes. In the team room, you can view the time when a user logged in, their total work hours, and a breakdown of their active and idle time. For a detailed view, click on a user. In the window that appears, you'll see the total work hours of the day, screens, active applications and websites, internet status, and time spent on various activities such as meetings, breaks, and idle time. Apart from monitoring online time, TeamOB allows users to manually log activities. This feature is beneficial in scenarios where users are not actively working at their desks or when detailed daily activity tracking is required for analyzing time spent, skills, and RACI, responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. Choose the date for submitting the timesheet. Provide the start and end times, specify the activity, project, skills utilized, and RACI, responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. Upon submission, the manager will receive an email notification. The manager has access to a list of users who have submitted their timesheets. They can review detailed activity entries and choose to either accept or reject them, along with providing comments if necessary. Additionally, the manager can input billable hours and rates before accepting the timesheet. This data is valuable for comparing actual time spent versus billable hours when needed. Review the activity for the selected date, gaining comprehensive insight by observing screen activity from login to logout, encompassing all intermediate actions such as idle periods, meetings, and breaks. We retain screen images on the cloud for 40 days, providing the option to download them for local backup. For forensic analysis of screens, you can select a user and specify the date range. You can utilize the list view to visualize activity time slots, distinguishing between active periods and times of idleness, breaks, or meetings. The entire workday hours are depicted in a graphical format. This allows you to easily visualize the percentage of time spent on business activities and meetings compared to breaks and periods of idleness. The TeamOB tool also monitors the internet connectivity status on users' computers, alongside tracking usage of applications and websites. This enables users to gain insights into the amount of time spent on different applications. TeamOB's incident monitoring feature allows administrators to configure a list of destructive keywords, such as Netflix, Hotstar, and Prime Video. If a user initiates a session on any of these websites, TeamOB automatically sends an email alert to the admin, accompanied by a screen snapshot. Additionally, administrators can whitelist specific email addresses. If a user accesses any inbox other than those on the whitelist, the system generates an email alert for the admin. Customize the list of keywords and whitelist email addresses by accessing the configuration menu and selecting the Incident tab. All incidents are logged and stored for future reference. You can access them anytime by navigating to Logs, Incidents. Filter the data by date and user to find specific incidents. Each incident entry includes a screen reference for further examination. Get list of application and website used by specific user or team. Specify the date range, select your department, and click Go to generate the report. Additionally, you can apply filters to display only productive or less productive applications. The detailed report presents all applications used by your team, including total active and idle times. Click on an application name to view all recorded pages or titles. You have the option to export the entire application usage data for a specific period into an Excel sheet. TeamOB captures data at the granular level and presents a polished report that offers a comprehensive visualization of departmental, team, and individual activities. In addition to presenting polished activity reports, TeamOB offers comparative analytics and trends for attendance and application usage over the selected period compared to its previous period. Choose the start and end dates to review department-level activities. Gain insights into the percentage of time spent on active versus idle percentage, along with total work hours. Click on a department to access a detailed report for the selected period. Gain insights into work hours, application usage, and productive hours. You can export this data to Excel or schedule the report to be received via email directly. Activity log of users of department. The total time spent on work, idle, break and meeting by whole department users. Application used by department users, along with list of incidents. The report is also accessible for teams or individual users, similar to the department report. However, here it is filtered for specific teams and users. Additionally, all available reports can be scheduled to be received directly via email. Analytics modules helps to get insight of your organizational data. To get change in trends in attendance, application usages and skill utilization. Select the date range and proceed. This will compare the data of currently selected period with exact past period. The up and down arrow indicates change in trends of defined category. Obtain a comprehensive view and drill down for insights into time spent on various categories, including user activities. Utilize skill and RaceID data to identify user skill improvements over time. TeamOB facilitates the organization of data through department, team, and user relationships, presenting information in a meaningful manner. Additionally, you can create various roles and map teams to provide access to various stakeholders. You have the ability to import bulk users, perform team mapping, configure the tool, and set tracking hours. All configuration tasks, such as defining productive applications, setting triggers, configuring shifts, and whitelisting IPs, can be completed from the configuration section.